Hey everyone! Today we're going to walk through how to quickly build a character using Quick Mode in Character on Dzine.ai. With Quick Mode, there's no need to wait for model training. Your character is ready to use immediately, perfect for generating realistic, lifestyle-style visuals in seconds. Let's begin. On the left global sidebar, open Character. Click Build Your Character at the top, then select Quick Mode. You'll see two options: Start with Description or Start with only one image. Let's begin with Start with Description. Here, you'll define your character concept. First, give your character a name. Then, enter a brief description: appearance, clothing, personality, or visual references. If needed, you can upload a reference face, though this is optional. Next, select a style: 3D cartoon, realistic, 2D comic. Just click a style card to apply, or explore more in View All Styles. Now, click Generate Character. Dzine will create a character based on your input. Not satisfied? Click Regenerate to try again, or back to refine your description. Once you're happy with the result, select the image, click Start Training, and in seconds, your character is ready to use. Click Use in Character to open the Consistent Character interface. Enter your prompt, describing the action, scene, or camera style, and start creating consistent images with your new character. You can also use Quick Mode to easily create a character that combines a specific face with different visual styles. Just follow the same steps as before. Go into the Character Builder, give your character a name, and enter a short description. Then, under Reference Face, upload the photo you want to use. A clear, front-facing headshot works best. For example, I want to create a punk-style character based on someone with a cool and elegant look. Next, select your preferred visual style, and click Generate Character. Once you're happy with the result, select the character, click Start Training, and then Use in Character to start generating consistent scenes with this face in your chosen style. Alternatively, if you already have a full character image you want to use as is, you can go with Start with only one image. Click the option, enter a character name, and upload a clear front-facing photo. This can be a portrait or a full-body shot. Just make sure the image resolution is at least 512 by 512 pixels. Then click Start Training and Use in Character. And your character is ready to go. That's it. You now know how to use Quick Mode to build characters quickly, easily, and with professional-level output. Explore it now on Dzine.ai, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.